Holy hairballs. Oh my gosh.
So we made it to Georgetown. Oh, never mind.
And thank God we're outside and enjoying the sunset. And those little bastards chased us inside.
This week we traveled from Charleston all the way to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Well, goodbye Charleston. We've enjoyed you. Got ourselves back in sync with the tides, hopefully, close enough.
After spending a week in Charleston just to get back in sync with the tides, we headed out of Charleston towards Whiteside, a short run so we could stage ourselves for Matthews Cut, a very shallow section of water in South Carolina.
I guess just in case this dock sinks, right?
After a quiet night at anchor, we get an early start right as the sun comes up and head for Matthews Cut.
Good morning. We are continuing our trip up the ICW. We are currently in South Carolina, and if you have ever driven on 95 through South Carolina, you know it's not that great of an experience. It's pretty bad. Well, ICW is no better. We've been going through lots of shallow water, tight spaces. It's just it's been a little stressful with the boat that draws 5.5 feet.
Yeah, it's we're currently right between McClellan and Matthews Cut. We timed it at high tide. We're a little bit behind, so we're being pulled right now. Hopefully we'll have enough water to make it all the way through. If not, I guess we'll bounce. I don't know, we'll see.
Let's hope not.
Hope not. So we took off from Charleston yesterday and spent the night in Price Creek, and then got up with the sun, and as soon as we could navigate, hit it so that we would be at high tide. High tide was at 8:15, and I'm not sure what time. I think it's after 9 now, so we're got a falling tide. So not ideal, but we're making ground, and our goal is to get to
Georgetown
today.
Yeah.
Hopefully be in there around 3 o'clock.
So our next tricky part is Matthews Cut, and hopefully we'll get through there without any problems.
We're coming up on that now.
Have you ever seen a swing bridge like this? I haven't. Looks like it's powered by, I don't know, a pontoon boat pushing a barge across. Pretty interesting.
fireballs. Oh my gosh. I think that storm was worse than St. Augustine.
But we didn't get hit.
We did not get hit. But oh, the wind, the rain,
Yeah,
the lightning.
actually stinging rain.
Yeah.
But the Rockna, we put out 150 foot of chain and 15 feet of water, and a 10-to-1 scope, and that Rockna just bit and did a great job. So
We made it. Again.
yeah.
Many more to come, I'm sure.
So we made it to Georgetown. Oh, never mind. Kind of a blustery morning. I'm sure we got some pics of that. We're on our way from Georgetown to Osprey Marina in Myrtle Beach. We're hoping for a nice kick from the tide, which we have, but we get 18 knots right on the nose. So it's a little frothy out here and bumpy, but we're making our way up to Osprey Marina in Myrtle Beach, and that's this morning.
It's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly, yeah. It's 67 degrees.
65.
65.
Yeah.
So
Chilly
jackets
for
are
us.
on, so it's a big swing from the heat we had in Florida. And it's supposed to be about a 5-hour run today. Probably end up being 6 because we're getting slowed down a little bit by this wind. So we'll check in with you throughout the day.
Yeah, I need my other one.
And the sun's finally come out. Some blue sky. It's getting pretty out now. First time I touched the throttle all day. Yeah.
Smells pretty. Smells like a rose.
Yeah. Osprey Marina and Myrtle Beach. Going out for a walk this morning. It's just been sitting all day yesterday. Last night editing, so I think we get a walk in before we take off to North Myrtle Beach from South Myrtle Beach. So that's what we're doing this morning.
We're actually looking for goats. We were told there are goats on property, so we're looking.
I'm not looking for goats.
goats.
So we'll see what we find.
I'm looking for goats. Don't have anything. Nice and healthy.
Yeah, they are.
Look at the horns on that one.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cute. Who's the leader? You look like you're the leader, dude.
Got the beard.
Yeah, he's staring right at us and he has those big old horns.
I got it.
Look what I have.
A fall leaf.
A fall leaf. It's red. We don't get these in Florida. It's a fall leaf, y'all. It's fall.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Our dinghy's is.
Yeah, because the temperature dropped.
Oh, okay.
Get you pumped up.
Okay.
Just watch coming back up to the camera.
Okay.
So today we're leaving Osprey Marina and we're heading to North Myrtle Beach. What's the name of the marina we're going to? I don't remember. Isle or something or other.
Ocean Isle?
Ocean Isle. Ocean Isle.
It's Ocean Isle.
Ocean Isle, yeah. And we had to make a change last night because the other place couldn't fit us in. But we're going to be going through what's called the rock pile today. And it's very narrow and it's just like it sounds. The last section of the ICW, they had the blast. And when they blasted out of all this rock to make the passage, that's what we get to go through. And it's narrow and boats have been holed there and sank, so we're going to have to call ahead when we get there and make sure that we have passage through, so we'll be doing that. So that's a little last obstacle today. And
another tricky part on
Yep.
the ICW in South Carolina.
in South Carolina, yeah. It's like a game every day, not to disappoint. So that's what we're doing today. That was uneventful.
We made it through the rock pile.
All these things they, look out for the rocks, you know.
Well, we
look out
did,
for the shallows, watch out.
we went during high tide, so we really didn't see any rocks.
Drove it down the middle.
Yep, and we did great. We even had a powerboat pass us and waked us, but we were fine. So yeah, we made it through the rock pile.
So we're on to the marina in a couple of miles, and gonna get her tied up for the night and plan our next leg. North Myrtle Beach at Harbor Gate Marina.
Yes, that's where we are.
That's where we are.
Did not remember the marina we were going to today. We had to switch because the one we originally had reservations for
Ocean Isle.
could not fit us. The depth was too shallow.
Yeah, so here we are. It was a uneventful ride through the, you know, you watch these people on YouTube and they talk about the rock pile and the rock pile, the rock pile. You know, you time it with the tides. I'm not saying that, you know, you can always do that, but, you know, to be fair, we draw 5.5 feet and we timed it with the tides and we rolled through and we're kind of like, okay. So, you know, you just slow down and it does show up on the, you know,
on the chart plotter and everything, but right through. So it was uneventful for us, and we're pretty pleased about that. We'll take it.
Yep.
And we're going to go get some lunch. So we'll catch up with you later.
Join Shell and I in our next video when we travel from North Myrtle Beach all the way to Beaufort, North Carolina. We'll see you then. If you enjoy our videos, like and subscribe.